Yeah, you can start.
So we can start, right?
Yes, yes, you can start it. This is, I think, a one-on-one training only.
All right. Okay. Let me share the screen. Let me quickly show you the course content, which basically what exactly we need to cover in our Selenium and Java framework. Ashok, I hope are you familiar with Selenium or any basic things you know about it?
No, we are completely new actually. You can treat like
What's your
it's fine.
background?
Uh, like I'm a database tester actually.
How much experience you hold?
I have nearly 7.
All right. Okay. Okay. So Selenium. So we cover with the language Java, and let me show you the course content. I hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah, screen is visible.
Okay. So in this, like basically we firstly cover like exactly why the automation testing is important, what are the challenges, and why we are using Selenium as compared to other tools because there are a number of tools available in the market. So why we are using Selenium, and Selenium has a four components like introduction, like ID, grid, and RC. We are using the latest version WebDriver, and then we are using the setting up the Selenium with Java. Java is a language we are using, and after that, like the basic prerequisites, we are going to set up your system like the JDK, Maven, and Java home path, setting up the IDE as well, either as a Intel IJ or Eclipse, and then write your first Selenium script into the Java. Firstly would be the introduction part. Second would be the setting up the basic prerequisites in your system, and then we cover main go to the main topic like WebDriver. Like what is WebDriver as compared to the RC? That is our older version. Coming to the next, we cover with what are kind of locators we used in Selenium, and then weights, basically what weights we are using and how we can handle our scripts in case of any browser issues comes. How we can handle the pop-ups as well. If any pop-up appear in automation, how we can handle it. And then we go to the checkboxes, like some radio buttons appears or some frames are there and Ajax elements are there, how we can be able to handle it, like with Selenium automation. And then these are the locators. Earlier we have shown like XPath, like then we go to the different locators, CSS selectors as well. This is a kind of advanced XPath CSS selectors, which works with complicated applications where at a runtime, your locators and attribute values get changed. So we need to write a complicated XPath and CSS selectors. Then coming down, like we have to handle the multiple browsers as well. Sometimes our application or use case requires to run our scripts into multiple browsers, either it into Chrome, Safari, Firefox, headless browser also, like without UI, how much time it gonna take, and it run entirely on your system. And then we see the screenshots as well, how we can be able to capture the screenshots in our automation, and the mouse key events as well. What are the key events mouse perform with the help of robot class. And then later, like this is once that is covered, we go with the framework design as well. So in the framework design, we use the page object model, data driven testing, like we use data and pass into our system through the automation and capture the results. Then the keyword driven testing, and for reporting we are using extent reports. And then we are using some reusable classes, like we create a kind of folder structures which look like a real-time framework you have used, and that you can explain in further, like how you creating the classes and how you are utilizing those classes and other
Yeah.
functions. Okay, and this is your test ng, and that's very important feature in automation. And because there are so many annotations are there, it provides a complete control. So I will give you, once you start, I will go into deep dive and will explain better into the test ng part as well. Then another part is like how you can read the data from Excel. This comes under data driven testing, like some Excel records are there, you want to read the data, you want to pass the data into your application one by one. So how you can fetch it through the automation, that part we will cover. And then the parallel testing, like how you can run your test cases parallelly. Like suppose you have 10 test cases and you need to execute 10 test cases parallelly one by one. So it can save your time. So 10 browsers are getting invoked in in all the browsers, different test cases run. So it saves your times as well. It optimizes the execution time. And then the basics of Selenium grid, like how we can running the test into node and hub. If we have thousands of test cases in future, so how you can distribute your test cases into multiple machines to make your execution speed better and optimize your time as well. That we will cover. And then the reporting I've already told, the extent reports we are going to use and logs also. And then the best practices, like how you can optimize your code, avoiding common mistakes, clean and the structured test cases, or reduce your execution time. That's basically what most of the companies looking for, like how you can be able to minimize your execution time and run your test cases like more robustly. And then last we have a question answer session as well, hand-on practice support as well in case if you've stuck anywhere. So I can be able to assist you. So duration would be around 5-6 days in a week, and it can be adjustable as per the class pace. And then the materials we provided, like the slides, framework templates, some websites for your practicing. And this is a prerequisite, like your basic understanding of Java. Like you told, like you are new, so I will cover those concepts as well. Like Java, you can be able to familiar with loops and loops concept. And for Selenium, like no prior automation is needed. I can be able to assist you on that. So this is a high level, the course content, which basically will be covering. Any doubts, any questions on this?
No, actually, we have. Sorry, I have a question actually here. So there was a uh, like training period, right? So is there any timing like for weekend? Like how many days you will cover?
It depend.
Duration.
You, so it's like total 20 to 22 hours, like to
Okay.
complete all this. And if it is required, we can add more. It depends upon how the candidate is fetching, getting all the things. Because in the end,
Okay.
like they have to do some practice session as well. We'll given some assignments as well. Because I don't
Mm-hmm.
want it should be into the one side only, like the instructor side only. Whatever
Mm-hmm.
the things I have told you, you have to do some practice as well on your system as well and complete
Yes.
those, yeah, assignments. Yeah. So it should be like in both ways. So it depends, like 20, 22 days, it's fine. Like you get very good hands-on on that. 20, 22 hours, yeah.
Hours.
Hours.
Okay.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
take
Okay. Uh-huh.
one month of time if we do 1 hour daily. And if we do
Mm-hmm.
on weekend classes, then 2 hours and we can be able to
Mm-hmm.
do it. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yes. That's pretty the course content.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Sure.
Okay. And I can, this is my office laptop, and I can show you my framework and just show you the high level glimpse of the framework, what exactly, but I cannot
Okay.
run it as of now. If you see my framework, this is the Intel IGI I've set up, and this is the different classes basically I've set up, like the source
Mm-hmm.
test. This is are the test classes, and inside my Java, the page objects, utilities, config.properties, and the test ng part. This is my contains my all the test cases as well. And if I run the test cases, how it looks like, just I will give you just browser invoke parts, and then I just stopped it. So this is looks like Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. That browser are getting invoked. It navigate to that particular website, entering the username and the password, and just clicking onto the this button.
Login. Okay.
Okay, so due to the privacy, I just need to stop it in between, but at a high level, it's look like the same.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, once you start with, so we can just practice on dummy applications. We'll
Mm-hmm.
check the applications which is best for your practice, and accordingly we will do it.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
So in my side, I need to discuss with my one of my colleague. Actually, he also joining. And I think today he is not able to attend the call because he is still in travel. Uh, his name is Hari Prasad. Actually, Hari.
Okay. So you can, that's
Anyway,
fine.
however,
You can pass on the information like what you get. And
yeah, sure, sure.
okay. And you can just
Yeah,
coordinate
sure.
with. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We'll get back to you soon. Actually, I'll ping Samir, right? Samir, who he pinged us actually. I'll reach out to him on Insta.
Sure, sure. Sure, you can
Or else
reach out.
I'll reach out to Mayuri as well. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's perfectly fine. You can reach out to me early and just let me know further updates.
Ah, sure.
All right. Okay. Thanks, Ashok. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Mayuri.